watching videos on how to learn faster for the past hour, instead of actually learning anything? Welcome to the club. But here's the twist. It's not about working harder. It's not even about being smarter. It's about unlocking the way your brain was meant to learn. And surprisingly, it starts with doing less. We've been sold a myth. Grind, hustle, no sleep. But here's a truth from an old Eastern proverb. The mind is like water. When it's turbulent, it's hard to see. When it's calm, everything becomes clear. If you're forcing your brain into overdrive, it's like trying to microwave a frozen turkey. It's not faster, it's just messier. Science and monks agree on this. The brain learns best in short, focused sprints. Try this. 25 minutes of deep focus. No phone, no tabs open. 5-minute break. Walk, breathe, maybe question your life choices. Repeat 3 times, then take a 20-minute break. It's called the Pomodoro technique, but I call it the samurai sprint. Because for those 25 minutes, you're not just studying. You're training. Like a warrior. Want to remember more? Teach it. Yes, seriously. Explain the concept to a friend, a pet, or your wall. If you can teach it simply, you've mastered it. There's a Zen saying, to learn is to know. To teach is to understand. Your brain lights up when you shift from absorbing to explaining. It's like going from downloading a file to becoming the software. Sleep isn't a break from learning. It's where the magic happens. Your brain reorganizes information like a librarian on Red Bull. You may feel guilty sleeping after studying, but Eastern philosophy embraces rest as part of the cycle. Inhale, exhale, input, digest. Rest isn't the enemy of productivity. It's the fuel. You don't need more apps, more tools, more hacks. You need less resistance. One notebook. One clear question to answer. One quiet place. Learning isn't a battle. It's a flow state. Eastern martial artists don't fight the wave. They move with it. So stop building walls. Start building paths. So here's the recap. Sprint, don't marathon. Teach what you learn. Sleep like it's sacred. Remove resistance, not add pressure. Your brain is already powerful. You just needed the right keys to unlock it. And this is just the beginning. Because every week, we break down how to think better, live smarter, and laugh while doing it. Screen text. Subscribe for weekly mind upgrades. Narrator, smiling. Don't just learn faster than everyone else, live sharper than you ever thought possible. I'll see you in the next video.